Page 34, cycles. At the top of the page, they are showing you a D major hand position. So a D hand position is simply where D is at the bottom and you put it here. And in D major, it's an F sharp. So you put your middle finger on each hand on F sharp. And that's the D major hand position. D major, look at the key signature at the beginning of this, 2 sharps. You have an F sharp, we've had F sharp before, and these sharps are always in the same order. The first sharp is always going to be F sharp. And the second sharp is C sharp, and it's always going to be C sharp. If they add more sharps, it's fine, but those first 2 sharps are going to be F sharp and C sharp. So that means in this piece, all the Fs are going to be F sharp, and all the Cs are going to be C sharp. There aren't any C's in this piece, so we don't have to worry about that part. But the point is, that's the key it's in. This is in 2/4 time, the time signature 2/4, which means we only have to count to 2. That's great for those of us who are lazy because we don't like to count that high. So it's just 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Not a big deal. I don't see anything tricky about this piece. It's andante. You can decide how fast you want to take it. We're going to go slow. Now the melody's in the right hand for the first and second lines, then the melody goes to the left hand for the third line, and then back to the right hand for the last line. It's moving around a bit, so bring out the melody. Look at the third line down in the right hand. You have these chords, and they're tied. Remember ties? When you have more than one note together like that, and you want to tie them, you have to put that curved line for each note. The first 2 measures of the third line with that D and the A, both of those notes, the D and the A, they each have their own curved line. If, let's pretend, just for a moment, that they didn't have a curved line for the A, only the D, then you would tie the D, but you have to play the A again, so it would be that. So you'd hold the D down and play the A again. Or if they tied the A, but they didn't tie the D, then you'd play the D again. So it's important with chords with more than one note. If they're tying them, every note that's tied has to have its own line. So just be aware that you're tying those over. All the way across, you've got tied notes. You're going to play them and hold them down for 4 counts total. So I'm going to give us 2 counts. Now let's play this together. Ready, go.